Hello everyone, David Wellman here again with another episode of Btekt. Btekt is sponsored by Direct Mobiles, and without Direct Mobile support, Btekt just would not be possible. They have an excellent selection of the latest phones and have 23 years of award-winning customer service, so they're definitely worth checking out if you need a new phone. Check the description below and you'll find a link to their website where you can see the deals for yourself. Now, what have I got today for you? So what have Samsung been working on to compete with the iPhone? Could it be a new flagship phone? Informally known as the iPhone X killer, Samsung is very keen on releasing its first proper foldable phone with a single uninterrupted screen next year. Please note this tech is not for the faint-hearted. Samsung was very specific in their target market. They are targeting gamers first, the type of guys that are not too scared of high price tags. It's estimated that the device will cost around $1,500, perhaps even more than that at launch. The product measures just 7 inches when open, but folds like a laptop or wallet for portability. People who have seen the prototype device have stated that the display goes on the inside of the fold, so there's a secondary display that covers the front when folded to show the notifications and the main camera on the back. Samsung states that it will stand as the third flagship line, next to the Galaxy S series and the Note series. I really can't wait for this phone. And that nickname, what do you think? Would you guys choose one of these over the iPhone X? Or iPhone X Plus, or whatever we're going to see from Apple this year? Let us know in the comments below. A big thanks to Android Leo for these stunning renders. Here's some good news for the accident prone. Corning has just announced a new version of the Gorilla Glass, the 6th version. Corning scientists were able to engineer an entirely new material that would better survive multiple drops. Tests show that Gorilla Glass 6 survived 15 drops from 1 meter before actually breaking. According to Corning, this is apparently twice as many drops as Gorilla Glass 5 can withstand. John Bain, Vice President of Corning Gorilla Glass, issued the following statement on the announcement of the new product. Gorilla Glass 6 is an entirely new glass composition that can be chemically strengthened to give it significantly higher levels of compression than possible with Gorilla Glass 5. This enables Gorilla Glass 6 to be even more resistant to damage. Well, I've dropped phones with Gorilla Glass 5 and they've hit the ground and broke straight away. So any improvement on what we have now would be great. Here's a fun fact. According to Corning, people drop their phones an average of 7 times a year, with more than 50% of drops occurring within a meter height. So it's a good thing that products like Gorilla Glass exist. Otherwise the cost to fix shattered phone screens would be no laughing matter. In my experience, I find it's what you drop your phone on that really matters. If you drop your phone on concrete, and it could be half a foot, let alone half a meter, it will smash, whether it's got Gorilla Glass 10 on it. But if you drop it, say, on a wood floor, it will easily survive that, time and time again. Thanks for watching another daily episode of Btekt. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for daily tech news and the latest phone reviews. I've been David Wellman, and this was Btekt.